Good morning, students. Now let us discuss an example of Laplace transformation. Already in a previous class we discussed Laplace transformation of elementary functions, where easily we obtain the Laplace transformation of a constant, sine and cos at, sine hyperbolic and cos hyperbolic at, t raised to n, e raised to at, e raised to minus at, and constant raised to t. But all the time we will not be getting these functions independently. Sometimes they'll come with mixture like a product, or it may be something like a square, cube or something. So in such conditions, what to do? First we need to simplify them, then we can go for a solution. Okay, so let us see what to do in such cases. If it would be sine 3t and sine 5t, between these two if it would be plus, then would have taken Laplace transformation for sine 3t plus Laplace transformation of sine 5t independently. But since it is a combination, so first what to do? We need to simplify this by using a simple trigonometric formula. What is that? We can see here what we need to calculate is Laplace transformation of this, but since it is a product of sine and sine, so we have the result. We know that sine A into sine B, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Fine. So this will help us to simplify this. Therefore it becomes sine of 3t into sine of 5t. Here A is equal to 3t and B is equal to 5t. Therefore it is 1 divided by 2 into cos of A. A is 3t. So it becomes 3t minus 5t minus cos of 3t plus 5t. Okay. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2 into cos 3t minus 5t means minus 2t minus cos of 8t. Now I'll apply Laplace on both sides. Then it becomes Laplace transformation of sine 3t into sine 5t, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into. Now I'll take Laplace independently. So Laplace transformation of, since we know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta plus cos theta only. Cos means plus, sine means minus. So it becomes cos 2t minus Laplace transformation of cos 8t. Fine. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2. Since we already discussed Laplace transformation of cos at, as per that its result will be cos means s divided by s square plus 2 square, that is 4. I'll write once, minus s divided by s square plus 8 square. Fine. Therefore this is equal to 1 divided by 2 into s divided by s square plus 4 minus s divided by s square plus 64. Fine. Therefore if we take its LCM, then it becomes 1 divided by 2 into, it becomes s square plus 4 into s square plus 64 into this will be, check it out, s into this, then it becomes s cube plus 64 s, then minus s cube minus 4s. Fine. Therefore s cube get cancelled. then 64s minus 4s will be 60s divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 64. Okay, therefore 1s are 30s are, therefore Laplace transformation of sin 3t into sin 5t is equal to 30s divided by s square plus 4 into s square plus 64. So this is the result for this given example. So like this we need to calculate the Laplace transformation where the functions are given in the product. Thank you.